They call it the City of Light, but Paris is so much more. From sunrise over the Seine to twilight under the Eiffel Tower, every corner tells a story of beauty, romance, and timeless charm. Let's begin our journey. Above the rooftops of Paris, the city awakens in golden light. From the winding Seine to the iron grace of the Eiffel Tower, every view is a living masterpiece. The streets below tell 1,000 stories, of love, of revolution, of art. Montmartre whispers memories of Picasso and song, while Notre-Dame stands timeless over the centuries. As the drone dances through the sky, we see a city that's not just beautiful, it breathes, it dreams, it inspires. This is Paris, from above, like you've never seen it before. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most iconic landmarks globally, located on the Champ de Mars by the River Seine in Paris. Designed by Gustave Eiffel's engineering team and constructed from 1887 to 1889, it served as the entrance arch for the 1889 Exposition Universelle celebrating the centenary of the French Revolution. Made of wrought iron, the tower comprises approximately 18,038 metallic parts joined by 2.5 million rivets and weighs about 10,100 tons. Originally 300-meter tall, it held the title of the world's tallest man-made structure until 1930. As we rise above the streets of Paris, a timeless city unfolds, a masterpiece of urban design and architectural grace. From the sky, Paris reveals its secrets. Rows of elegant Haussmannian buildings line the boulevards, each with pale stone facades, black wrought iron balconies, and slate-gray rooftops that stretch endlessly into the horizon. The city's symmetry is stunning, a delicate balance between history and geometry. Wide avenues branch like arteries from iconic landmarks, telling stories written in stone. As night falls over Paris, the city transforms into a glowing tapestry of light and shadow, elegant, mysterious, and utterly enchanting. Street lamps cast a golden hue across cobblestone alleys, while the Seine reflects the shimmer of bridges and passing boats like a mirror of dreams. The Eiffel Tower sparkles every hour on the hour, a beacon of romance rising above the rooftops.
De Montmartre à Notre-Dame, un monde entier sommeille. Un premier rayon de soleil illumine les quais de Seine. Une pause, café crème, on se remet de la veille. Il n'y en a pas de pareil, le Paris village s'éveille. Dans les bistrots, les cafés, on n'en finit pas de flâner. C'est le Paris cinéma, c'est lui qu'on aime, toi et moi. De l'île de la Cité à Saint-Germain-des-Prés, un monde entier sommeille. Mais au premier rayon de soleil, le Paris village s'éveille. s'éveille.
As of 2024, the city of Paris has a population of approximately 2.1 million people. Paris is a vibrant, multicultural city, home to people from across the globe. Its population includes not only native Parisians but also large communities from North Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, Asia, and other parts of Europe, giving the city a rich cultural and ethnic diversity. Despite its compact size, just over 105 square kilometers or 40 square miles, Paris is known for its bustling neighborhoods, historic districts, and the constant flow of tourists, students, artists, and professionals who bring the city to life. Above the streets, the city lies, a quilt of stone beneath blue skies. With rooftops gray and stories deep, where time and dreams together sleep. The Seine flows soft, a silver thread, past bridges where the poets tread. The Eiffel Tower, bold and bright, a sentinel of love and light. The domes of Sacré-Cœur arise, like whispered prayers that touch the skies. While boulevards in perfect grace, unfold the rhythm of this place. Each shadow cast, each chimney tall, each sunlit spire, each garden wall, from up above, the soul can see that Paris breathes in harmony.